Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to an unboxing for some Palace and some Supreme, which is just behind me there. Now this week, unfortunately, I don't have anything from the most recent Palace drop. I don't have anything from the most recent Supreme drop. I only have a couple of things that are for the personal and then from prior drops, and that's about it. So yeah, unfortunately we did not hit during the box logo week, so yeah, we're just going to have to move on from that and just unbox some other things instead. But anyway, as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from the last couple of weeks, whether it's Palace or Supreme, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up. I know a lot of people have already sold on their box logos, but let me know. Anyway, let's get straight into this because it's not going to be too long at the end of the day, so yeah. Okay, so pretty much this is what we have. Two things for the personal, well they're all for the personal at the end of the day, but two things for the personal that weren't from the Supreme site specifically, and then Palace, obviously. One thing to do with Palace is that I took the rug out of my cart, okay, or the mat, or the doormat, out of my cart, or floor mat, I think was its name. I took it out of my cart, okay? Big mistake, massive mistake, but that's me. No way. That's me at the end of the day. You know, that's just something that I do when it comes to some things. I made the same mistake when it came to Palace releasing the dartboard and the darts. I had them both in cart. I just removed them. I just didn't. It was there for a good 30 seconds to a minute. I could have gone through with it, and I didn't. So yeah, second regret when it comes to Palace is not checking out the dartboard and the darts and then the floor mat, because yeah. So let's get into these anyway. We will kick off with the one that is in green, because you know green's a colour that I like, so we will go with that. So this piece is going to be joining a couple of others that I have. I already have 3, I believe, of these, and this is just another to join the collection. So I'm going to try and open it up without really showing details, which is so difficult when they've got their like return to on the back. But yeah, we are slowly but surely getting to it. Right, now that I put it like that, you turn it around and now we can take it out. That is a hair, but I can go in the bin, I suppose. So let's take this out, which as you can see is in tissue paper. Now that's out of the way, we can get to what it is. So you might already be able to tell what this is. Really well folded actually, really well packaged and shipped. I appreciate them taking like this amount of effort with it, to be honest. But yeah, you might be able to tell that this is a towel, or a Supreme towel at the end of the day. So this is going to be the cheetah, or I'm pretty sure it's the cheetah print. It's not a tiger print, it's a cheetah print. And yeah, it's one of the smaller towels. Obviously it's not one of the large ones, but yeah, that is what this is. So that's pretty cool, I think, at the end of the day. I've got the red variation, or the red one, which is embossed, I believe it is. And then I've got the bling one as well. I've also got the larger Bela Lugosi one. But yeah, I was going to pick up the like astronaut one because my brother had that at one point in time. But unfortunately, as of like last year, the hype for the astronaut went from like here to just out of frame basically. The towel went up just a crazy amount. So did the puffer jacket, or the jacket. And yeah, my chances of getting those sort of dwindled, I suppose would be the way to put it, because yeah, they just went crazy in the end, really. They just absolutely just went insane. So yeah, I should probably look at the tag on this, to be honest, but I do trust the person at the end of the day. It looks fine, but I might double check, but you can never be too sure with things. But yeah, I think it looks fine in the end, so yeah. I'll sit it behind like that for the time being, just so it's back there, you know. So next piece that we move on to, this is one that I actually wanted to get last fall winter when it dropped from the 40s. But you know, I wasn't really feeling the price of paying £41 or £43 in the end, I believe. I wasn't really feeling that, but I'll happily pay £29 for one instead. So once I open this, which would be great, yeah, this is going to be the Supreme. Well, you'll see in a second basically what it is, but once I open it up, there it is. So this is the Hiver or Supreme or Supreme, however you want to say it, Hiver T. The D's sort of silent, but yeah, it's basically Supreme Winter, and then you have 2019 and 2020. So I really wanted this piece last, you know, for winter, but I just didn't pick it up just because I wasn't really looking to pay the price on it. And yeah, now I've got it. I've just clocked, I swear I bought a large and this says medium. I'm gonna have to check on that. I might have made an oops. Oh well, maybe, I don't know, maybe they listed it as a large and then said that it fits like it's a medium but it fits like a large, but I'll have to check on that one because I thought that I bought a large in the end. Oh well, that's my mistake if it is, but anyway, let's move on to the final piece or pieces which are going to be from Palace, which again will just be joining the collection. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't get the floor mat, I didn't pick it up, I didn't buy it. That's my bad, that's me, you know, being me, and just not buying it. I hesitated, and as of that, yeah, I just didn't end up with it. So let's start off with the most basic one, which is going to be like my 8th pack, I believe, of these, which is obviously going to be the sticker pack, which, let me just open it up and get that out. I still love that Palace do their things like this for their stickers and such. So, sticker pack, there it is. Very plain and simple. I'll shake them around. These ones people didn't really like as much as prior ones, but at the end of the day I feel like you might as well just pick it up and add it into your cart if you're going to be buying something that week anyway, just so that you can get a multi-cart. And normally they don't sell out for quite a couple of minutes, so yeah, you've got enough time to pick one up in the end, and yeah, that's why I picked it up. And I just like to collect stickers or sticker packs in the end. They're just a nice little thing to grab. So let's move on to the other piece from here, which is obviously going to be our boy, the duck. There he is, okay? That makes so much sound. But yeah, the duck, or the chill out duck, or chilly duck. Yeah, I've got the duck out sweater, which I probably should have worn for this to unbox him, but anyway, it doesn't matter. He's really cool. So loud in this. I would take him out of this, but to be honest, where I'm going to put him is a bit dusty at the moment, so I'd rather leave him in it until a point in time where he can come out and just chill instead. But yeah, I think it's really cool that they released this as a plush toy, and yeah, there's nothing else to say for that. I should have got the floor mat as well, but it is what it is, so yeah. That is going to cover this video anyway. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, like I said, let me know your recent pickups and anything that you've got recently or recently unboxed, or what you're stocking, rocking, or reselling. Other than that, there should be a drop list video out tomorrow, and yeah, that's about it. I need to check whether I ordered a medium or large, and I need to double check that as well, but apart from that, it's all good. We've got everything, and I'm happy because this is a bit of a different unboxing. It's a couple of actual personal pieces instead, pieces just to unbox, hold on to and sell at some point, or just to store away and whatever. But yeah, that's gonna cover it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.